Hello again, just a quick review on what we have done in this lesson. We've looked at corresponding angles, parallel lines, transversal. This angle is above the parallel line, that's above the parallel line. The angles is formed using the transversal and the parallel line. They're in the same position, they're corresponding. So if this is on top of the line and that's on top of the line, they are corresponding, they're on the same side. If that's below the line, that's below the line, they're on the same side, they're corresponding. Likewise over this side, that's above the line, that's above the line, they're on the same side, they're corresponding. That's below the line, that's below the line, they're on the same side, they're corresponding. Next one we looked at alternate angles. Okay, let's put them in order. Let's put that one here. Alternate angles, again, we need to identify the parallel lines, and here we have a transversal. Alternate angles can be visualized by looking for the letter Z. They are not on the same side. So, unlike the corresponding angles that are on the same side, the alternate angles are not on the same side. So, alternate angles are equal. If that is B, that's going to be B as well. And another thing you should note is that if you look at the size of that angle and the size of that angle, that space there is wider than this space here, so they couldn't be the same anyway. So now, and we know that alternate angles are equal. So that one and that one, they're on different sides. They are visualized by looking for the letter Z. So here we have that one and that one be the same. They are alternate angles. So in corresponding angles and alternate angles, once we identify them, they will be having the same value. The next one we looked at was co-interior angles. Let's put that one here, or let's put that one here. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles, again, we need to look for the parallel lines. We have the transversal. In this case, they are co-interior. The interior gives it away. It means they're bounded by, they're inside of the parallel lines. Here we have that one and that one. And if we notice, this angle is wider than that angle. So that is telling you that they're not the same. They are not the same. So interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So whatever this is and whatever that is, when we add them together, we will see that they add up. They will add up to 180 degrees. So same thing with here, this one and this one, interior angles adds up to 180 degrees. We can visualize interior angle by looking for the letter C. Or if the angle was, if the shape was turned this way, we could look for the letter U. So that concludes our lesson on angles and parallel lines. One extra task I'll have for you to do. I need you to get a protractor and I want you to draw lines, parallel lines. Maybe find a paper that already has lines in that you can just follow to make sure that they're parallel, and you're to draw a transversal. I want you to notice these angles or to view these angles more by using your protractor to measure these angles. Measure them and see if you can prove that if you measure this one and that one, they will be the same, or if you measure these two together and add them together, they give 180 degrees, or if you look across there, then those two are going to be equal. Hope this helps you, parents and students. Hope you're having fun with your parents teaching you.